Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cave. Today we're going to be busting out some delicious avocados and making chocolate avocado cookies. They're going to be so good and just delicious. All the ingredients and the steps are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 300 degrees and get started on these delicious avocado chocolate cookies. So our first step is to get all of our dry ingredients whisked together. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to give these a quick little whisk. And once your dry ingredients are all whisked together, you can go ahead and scoot that bowl to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that you want to add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white sugar, and 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil. Now let's go ahead and grab our hand mixer and blend these together. Once blended, we're going to follow that by adding in a half cup of mashed avocado, 3 egg whites, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now let's blend these on a low speed until everything's nice and smooth. Once everything's nice and smooth, we're going to take our dry ingredients and we're going to add those in with a half cup of chocolate chips. And then let's blend everything on a low speed until our batter is just combined and somewhat a little bit crumbly. Now let's go ahead, pop our dough in the refrigerator, and let it chill out for an hour, come back and scoop out our delicious cookies, pop in the oven, and basically get eating cookies. So our dough is chilled for an hour. Now let's go ahead and take our baking sheet, lined with some parchment paper, and start scooping out small rounds of cookie dough balls. Now if you want a flat cookie, you can flatten them out slightly. If you want a round cookie, you can leave them round. Once your baking sheet is filled with these delicious avocado chocolate cookies, you just want to pop in the oven and let bake for anywhere between 17 to 19 minutes. So let's say 18 minutes, don't overbake. So our chocolate avocado cookies have baked. I've left them cool to room temperature so there's no mouth burning, but they look delicious. They look so dark and chocolatey, and there's little specks of green for the avocado. Just want to eat them all. They're just, they look so delicious. That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try these delicious chocolate avocado cookies, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. You know, say hello, drop by the comments, let me know what yummy desserts you guys would love to see next. And until next week, bye.